Hey guys, today we got the Samsung Gear S3 in front of us, and I'll be showing you guys how to clean up the bezel so that it rotates smoothly. The one in front of us here, it rotates really bad, and you could probably hear that right there. So it's not rotating smoothly, so we'll fix that up. So really simple. All the tools will be in the video description below, and if you have any questions, you guys can comment down below in the video. And the only tools you will need would be a flathead screwdriver and some rubbing alcohol to clean everything up. So to get started, we have the bezel here, and you will just pry it up slowly from both sides. So. Alright, there we go. So we got that. And you do have to be careful here, as there are some balls and springs around here, if you can see it. So we got these 4 balls here, and there's springs underneath that, and so that's how it glides on here. You can see there's a little indents and grooves cut out, and that's how you get that clicky sound going through. So if you lose any of these little bearings here, or the springs, you're gonna have to find some. Alright, so let's get those out. And we just use some Q-tips with some rubbing alcohol. Right, make sure you still have all your 4 springs and bearings. Alright, and that's it, and everything's moving nice and smooth. As you guys can hear. And that's how you get the bezel on the Samsung Gear S3 working great.